Hi everyone. Have you ever seen those colorful dot paintings that sell for millions of dollars? And yes, today we are going to create a Hirst-style dot painting using Python's turtle graphics. So this is the preview. Turtle creates dots line by line and each dot has random color. So this is what we are going to build by the end of this video. So let's start coding. And in this project, we are going to extract colors from this image. For that, in Python, we have a module named as colorgram. So import colorgram and create one list to store our colors. And for extracting the color, we have to use colorgram dot extract from our image.jpg and the number of colors, let's say 30, and store it in a variable, let's say colors, and iterate over the colors to get the RGB values for color in colors. Create one variable as R and give color dot RGB dot R, and similarly G and B, and create one variable new color and RGB. So this will give us RGB values each for 0 to 255, and let's append it to our list as RGB color dot append the new color and print our RGB list, and let's run it. So here we get the list of colors. So let's copy it and create one list as color list, which we are going to use in our project. So we successfully extract the colors from this image by using Python library colorgram. Now let's comment it and start drawing our his painting. For that, import our turtle module, turtle st, and create turtle object, give it name as team. You can give any name and set up the screen. Give it variable as screen and screen, and to keep the window on screen, for that screen dot exit on click, and let's run it. So this is our screen, but we want our turtle to start from something like here, so that it goes from here to here until the top. So for that we have to adjust the coordinate and simply set the heading. I already tried some coordinates and I got this 225 as the proper coordinate, and move our turtle forward so that it goes like from here to here. For that, team dot forward, give it value as let's say 300, and let's run it. Yeah, it is working, and we have to change our turtle's direction in this direction. For that, we have to again set the heading to 0. For that, team dot set heading to 0. Now run it again. Yeah, it is going in the right direction. Now our next task is to generate dots and give number of dots as 100, and create one loop to draw all our 100 dots. For that, from 1 to number of dots, and give it as team dot dot, it creates dot, and give it radius of let's say 20, and give the random color for each dot, and for that import random module and give it as random dot choice from our list color list, and after each dot we have to move it forward. So team dot forward by let's say 50, and let's check it if it's working or not. It is giving us error as bad color sequence. Where it is? Oh, we have to set the color mode so that our turtle understand the RGB colors. So for that, t dot color mode and give it 255, and let's run it again. Yeah, it is working, but if you see, it is just in one direction. So we have to change it. Like after every 10 dots, we have to move our turtle to the initial position, and again it moves 10 dots and again to the initial position, and similarly till our 100 dots. And for that, give it one condition as if dot count modulo 10 equals to 0. Then we have to set the turtle's heading to the upward direction. For that, team dot set heading to 90 degree, and move our turtle forward by 50. Now run our program and check if it's working or not. Yeah, it is working. It is changing direction, but it is again going in upward direction. So we have to change the direction from here. For that, set the team heading to the 180 degree, and move our turtle 500 step backward to the initial position. For that, the 500. Why 500? Because we are getting 10 dots in one line, and after each dot the gap is 50. So after 10 dots the gap is 500, and we have to move our turtle to the starting position. For that, 500. Now let's run it again. It is changing direction and it is going in the backward direction. So we have to again change the direction from here and simply set the heading to the initial value as 0. And now let's run our program again. Yeah, it is working fine, but here are some colors which are not visible. So we have to change these colors, and it is also very slow. So we have to change the speed also. So for that, let's remove some colors from here, which looks white. So yeah, I removed some colors which are very close to 255. Now let's speed up the process. For that, team dot speed and give it as fastest. And also to get rid of that lines, we have to pen up the turtle. For that, team dot pen up, and we can hide our turtle also. For that, team dot hide turtle. And now let's run again. It is working fine. But if you see, we are still missing one dot. So let's check it. Here we have to give +1 and finally run it again. It is working absolutely fine. Yeah. So this is our project. So yes, we are successfully able to create this painting. The common mistakes you can do over here is you can forget about the color mode. If you are not using color mode, our turtle will not understand the RGB colors correctly. And again, you can do mistake here also, which I did. So try to avoid these mistakes. But yeah, this is our overall project. And if you like this project, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.